Can Adobe Firefly swap out hairstyles? Let's find out. Head on over to firefly.adobe.com. Then jump into Generative Fill. Once you load in the image that you want to edit, make sure you have the Insert tool selected. Then brush over top of the existing hair, making sure to get the smaller strands as well. And if you have to adjust the brush size, it can be done from the bottom or with the left and right square bracket keys. With our hair now selected, we can define the new color or style using the prompt. For example, simply typing pink hair should keep the style but swap out the color. Or we can add on to the prompt for something more specific, like curly blue hair. Lastly, you're not limited to the length of the original hair. Adding on to the selection with the Insert tool, you can now type in a prompt just like before, and Firefly will fill in the extra areas with your new hairstyle. And that's how simple it is to swap out hairstyles using Generative Fill. If you want to see how it's done using Photoshop, including reference image, head on over to my main channel, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you all next time.